Hello, great farmers. Welcome back to Addota Farm. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell to get notified when there's to drop a new content for you. We cannot do without dropping, videos, and this is for the poultry farmers. So, I think this will help most people to pick up their layers, to help their layers, do well. So this is just like a primary vaccine you can give to your layers before they start laying. So I want to talk on something like that. So I want to talk about the egg drop syndrome. That is EDS. So it's not that costly though, but if you get it, it's going to favor you. So what is the essence of using EDS? That is just to boost your egg production, though that is not what it really work for. But at least if you are having problem with your layers when they started laying, so if their eggs drop, like most people do complain about that, especially the novice that are starting poultry farm afresh, and they decide to go into egg production rather than the one they rear for meat. So they do face these challenges most time. So, and most do complain that they will try to give them different sort of things, like give them vitamin, give them some medications and all sort of things like that, but their chicken always refuse to pick up. So this, what I'm about to say now, is just a simple secret you can just use. So in case of such situation, so if you do this, it will help you when there's, though I'm not really praying that you should have problem, you should have a clash with your layers, maybe having problem with them that to an extent that they will stop laying. But at least I'm here to help, and I'm here to give some secret. So this, once you do this, it will help them to pick up when there's this kind of things, when next it happen, it will easily help them to pick up with whatever medication or anything you give to them. So it will be easy for them to pick up. So that is what EDS is working for. So if you vaccinate your chicken, your layers with EDS, whenever time they started laying, and any problem, like anything that might likely affect them to the point of stop laying, so this EDS will help them to pick up immediately. You start, rushing them with the necessary things. So the EDS will help them to pick up easily. But once you don't give them this, that is when you might be having problem with them. That you'll be saying they don't pick up, they don't do this, they don't do that. But with the help of EDS, it will help the chicken to pick up immediately. So which period can you really inject your chicken with EDS? So EDS, you can work for different breed of layers. So different. So what it's working for is what I've told you already. So between 14 to 16 weeks before they start laying, some chicken even start laying from 16, between that 16 upward. So between 14 to 16 weeks, so you should have injected your chicken, your layers chicken, with EDS. I said it, layers chicken with EDS. So this will it will strong their immune, and it will give them, they will have power to pick up whenever time they stop laying. So that is just it. So you vaccinate them when they were 14 to 16 weeks. That is when you vaccinate them. And if any problem likely start, like I do advise some people, you pick up, you try to give them things like vitamins and other things like that, so just to pick up. So that one will still help their immune too to pick up immediately. So that is just the simplest things I want you to know about EDS, eggs drop syndrome. So you inject them between it. Only professional can do this, and if you think you are perfect in doing this, you can actually do it. You can inject them too. So you can call a professional like doctors, so they will help you to do it. So there's a price tag to it. So you negotiate, you agree together, they will come to your farm and they will offer you this service. It's just as simple as that. And if you really think you don't have anybody to do this for you, you can actually make a contact to me, so I will find a way, will help you out about it, so you will get a person that will do it easily for you. So that is just all about EDS. So for those who are going into layer egg production, so you can simply do this to your chickens just to avoid problem in the nearest future when your chicken started laying. So that is just all I want you to know. So you keep on watching another video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so. It's important to subscribe because we'll be dropping you videos, new things all the time, and you are going to be happy you do. Just subscribe and click the notification bell.